Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know you can already notice something wrong with my makeup today, and let me just tell you guys, it's because I'm not wearing any lipstick and I didn't do my eyebrows. That's okay, that's all good, because in today's video I'm gonna do 3 different looks by just changing my brows and also the color of my lips. I'm excited to try. I am not sure if it's gonna work out well or not, so bear with me. And also at the end of this video there will be a giveaway, so if you're interested to win yourself some makeup goodies, then stay tuned till the end of the video.
We'll start with the soft arch brows. For all the looks, I'll be using this CLIO brow pencil. It has a flat retractable tip and comes with a spoolie. For this first look, I'm using the shade number 1 Natural Brown. To start, trace out the frame of your brows. Just follow your natural brow shape, if you will. Draw it slightly slanted and a small curve at the end. Then use the spoolie to blend the front of your brows and comb your eyebrows in place. I love that the spoolie is small and soft. Makes it so much easier to blend my eyebrows to perfection. To match the soft arch brows, I'll be using this Rouge Heel lipstick in number 9 Rose Breeze. This lipstick has a velvety matte texture and I'm really impressed with its color payoff. I thought this color would go well with this look because it's not too red, not too pink. Next, straight brows. I'm using the Killer Brow Pencil in light brown this time round for a softer look. As you can see, I've drawn a straight line to frame my eyebrows. The flat, sharp shape of the tip of this brow pencil really helps me to be precise, especially when drawing the straight line. Don't forget to blend the front for that natural brow look. To perfect the brows, I'm taking this Skill Cover Airy-Fit concealer to conceal my eyebrows into shape. This concealer is full coverage, easy to blend, and what's best is that its tiny doe foot applicator gives you better control and accuracy. As for the lips, I'll be using this Red Hot Rouge Heel lipstick to complement the brows. Lastly, the high arch brows. The key to getting this right is the angle of the brows. So what I do is I draw out the frame of my brows lower in the front so I get a more angular brow for my high arch. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I'm actually drawing outside my natural brows, which can be pretty tricky, but if you have an eyebrow pencil like this Killer Brow, you should be fine. And then just fill in your brows as per usual to make it look fuller. Oh, and by the way, this time I'm using the Killer Brow Pencil in the shade Grey Brown. Since this is not my natural brow shape, I used the help of the Killer Cover Concealer to whip my brows into its high arch shape like I want it to be. I chose a coral colored Rouge Heel lipstick to pair with my high arched brows. This lipstick is so velvety matte and it glides on my lips perfectly. Ugh, I love this.
Those are the 3 different brow styles that you can do without having to alter your original brows. I obviously always use the soft arch because my brows are naturally softly arched already, so that's what I always go for. But you know, it depends on the type of makeup. Sometimes if my makeup is bolder, then I want to go with the high arch, and if I want to go for the softer makeup, you can try to go for the straight brow with lighter eyebrow shades. And that's the end of that. But I mentioned that I will be doing a giveaway with CLIO. We will pick several winners for this giveaway, and you guys will stand a chance to win a Nudism Cushion Foundation by CLIO. If you want to win that makeup goodie by CLIO, all you have to do is just comment down below which eyebrow shape do you always go for the most. I will pick randomly and I will contact the winners very soon. So now you can see how your whole makeup can change just by changing how you draw your eyebrows and also by the color of your lips. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, you should click the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah.